honey, so today I will be showing you all how I wash my makeup brushes for only $1. Also my beauty blenders as well, and they are pretty dirty. So to wash everything I will be using this Zote soap, and I got mine from Walmart. It is $1 and you get so much. I've had mine for I think almost 2 years and it's amazing. My brushes are intact, no shedding or nothing. And I wrap mine in the saran wrap. So after I take my soap out of the saran wrap, I start off by rinsing my beauty blender under water. I just want it to absorb the water so it could start absorbing the soap. So I run my beauty blender under the soap as well as just swishing it around, and then I do the squeezing motion just to get all the product out, and I just repeat. And it's honestly just that easy. I swirl my brush or beauty blender around in the soap after running it under water, and then I just squeeze out any product and rinse it, and it gets clean really fast. And I also like to swirl everything around on my hands. But as you can see, after I rinse my brush off, it gets clean after one wash. But I do like to do 2 washes on some brushes, like my foundation brushes that have more product in it, just to make sure that it gets deeply clean, but it's clean after one wash. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.